Good morning. Hi, Barbara. I'm glad we could connect. Today I'm talking to Barbara. She is a director of a wildlife park in Wisconsin, concerned about security.
Not really north, but we're just outside of Lake Geneva, south of the state.
I want to just understand what Wave Electronics and our brand, Illumivue, might be able to do for your business.
Sure, I'm not really sure where to start, but I guess we can start from the beginning. Well, we're a nonprofit, and I run the day-to-day operations. Well, there's a board that I have to report to, and both of them are on the board. We can definitely have access to internal and external. When we're not at the park, we need to be able to see what's going on. Okay.
All of our products are compliant with the Department of Defense, NDAA. They're compliant with the FCC, which is the communications and about all electronics pretty much. And we've consolidated the brands so that somebody like yourself can just say, I need that, and we've got all that product. We're going to find you an installation and maintenance partner, meet with your facility staff to, make sure that animal pens, if that's the right word, that those get covered, yeah, where your crowd comes, your ticket holders, let's say, and anywhere that is accessible on park grounds, including if there's remote parts of the grounds where you need to have coverage. All of it will be covered. It'll be very simple. You won't have to shop for cameras. And it's all app and internet based. So if you grant somebody access, they can get in all the time or just occasionally if they have a question. So let's talk about product.